Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about formalizing a function. This is chapter 4 and it is lesson 6. Is it possible for a graph to not be a function? It is possible for a graph to not be a function. How do you tell if it is? So here's some details that you need to know in order to do this. Here's the numbers, here's the set of coordinates. So you can see here that I have -2 and 0.5, I have 0 and 2.5, 4 and 6.5, 5 and 2.5. Is that a function or is it not a function? Here's the way to tell. First of all, you need to know what a domain is. A domain is the x values. So my x values are -2, 0, 4, and 5. And the range is my y values, 0.5, 2.5, 6.5, 2.5. So there they are, the domain values, 2, 0, 4, 5. The range is 0.5, 2.5, 6.5, 2.5. Hint, if the domain values repeat, it is a function. So here's my domain values. Do they repeat? They do not. They are all different. That means that this is a function. Try this one. Is it a function? 6, 5, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 8. Do the domain values x repeat? 6, 4, 6, 5. Yes, you can see that there's a 6 that happens twice as a domain value. They repeat, so it is not a function. Is it a function? 4.2, 1.5, 5, 2.2, 7, 4.8, 4.2, 0. Check out those domain values. Do they repeat? They do repeat. 4.2 happens twice. That means that this is not a function. How about this one? I have -1, 1, -2, 2, 4, -4, 7, -7. Do the domain values repeat? They do not. So that means that yes, this is a function. Another way to be able to tell is using the vertical line test. If you can draw a vertical line straight up and down through a point and it goes through only one point, it is a function. So in this case where I have a circle line, notice that my vertical line, my blue line here, it goes up and down through 2 points. That means this is not a function. My vertical line test on this one, though, even though it has a point here and it's kind of a wonky line, it goes through only 1 point. That means that it is not, that this one is a function. Okay, those are the strategies for determining whether or not a set of given points are a function or are not a function. We have some practice to do. I want you to go ahead and get down to work and we'll do a little bit together and then it'll be all you on your own.